Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock Ambire Wallet on PC. Ambire Wallet offers a simple way to secure the session so no one can access to your crypto without your password or authentication. And in today's guide I'll walk you step by step through how to lock your Ambire Wallet on PC, explain where to find the option and share a few security tips to keep your funds safe. So let's get started. First you need to open to any of the browser and go to this extension in the top here and select to this Ambire Wallet and simply enter your password here to unlock. Tap on this unlock here, and once you get into this interface over here in the top right we can find this three-line icon. Click onto this three-line icon. Under the setting menu we can find this general over here. Click onto this general here, and once you get into this general settings simply select to this lock over here and simply type down your password and select to this unlock, and that is it. After locking, your wallet dashboard will no longer be visible. You see the login screen. It will ask you for the password or the authentication method to unlock, and this confirms your wallet is securely logged. Unlocking your Ambire Wallet on PC is quick, simple and essential for protecting your cryptos. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.